In this video, I will show you how to send money to India with Revolut. To do this, simply go and open up the Revolut app and go to Payments in the bottom. Then click plus in the top right, and here you want to go and select International. Then here simply search for India and click on it. Then you will see this, so first enter the amount of Indian rupees you want to send. For example, I'll do 100. From there you can select the balance you are sending it with. So right now for me it says personal and then euro. If you click on that section, you can then select the currency the recipient will receive it in, as well as the balance that you are sending from. So I can also do US dollar, for example, but I'll just do euro and click done. Then you can choose the transfer method. So currently they have bank account and card. Bank account arrives somewhere today and the fee is 90 cents. With card it arrives in minutes and the fee is 42 cents. So overall card is the cheaper option. But just selecting one that you want to use. And then once you click continue, you can then add the recipient's details. So if you selected a bank account, you will need to enter their bank details, so account number and IFSC code. Then also their first and middle names and last name. If you selected a card, you will need to enter their card details, but just enter whatever details they ask for, and if it's a business, you can set it to business at the top. After doing that, go and click on add recipient and then actually confirm the transfer. And once you confirm it, the money will be on its way to your recipient in India. So now you know how to send money to India with Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.